in a super interesting and exciting video. Today's video is actually going to be my first ever Halloween makeup tutorial. I am doing this tutorial in collaboration with my girl Dolly. She has a YouTube channel and she also has a Instagram where she does makeup and stuff. So she got a couple of us together and we're going to be doing the Dolly's Glam Circus collaboration. So we're all doing circus themes and I decided to do clown, and of course I'm going to do a cute clown because we don't do nothing ugly, period. If you're interested in seeing how I basically go from Talisa to whoever this is, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I am basically kind of referencing these type of clowns where they're like cute or whatever. So that's Aaliyah J and somebody else. And then also like these where it's cute. Like I don't have a wig, so I won't be putting a wig on. First we're gonna start with eyebrows, and I'm gonna go in with my Cabral pomade, and this is in the number 5 because I want something kind of dark. I'm just gonna go in and just normally fill in my brows like I normally would. Okay, so now to clean up my brows, I'm going to take my MAC paint pot, and it's in soft ochre. I want to use something a little bit lighter just to make sure that everything shows up because we want this to be pretty pigmented and a nice base. Go in, I'm just going to clean up my brows like I normally would, top and bottom. Alright, so next we're going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids because I want it to be a super white base so everything can be super pigmented. I'm going to go in with my Tartlette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to set down my eyelid with the shade Charmer. This shade right here to set that down. I'm first going to take my Juvias Place Saharan palette right here, and I'm going to take the shade Cappuccino, and I'm going to use this as my transition color. Next, I'm going to take the Sugaface Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take this top red shade up here, and I'm going to use that as kind of like my second transition color. Just going to apply this in this area just to bring in the red. So I'm looking back at the pictures, and they pretty much have black eyes, like a smoky eye. So I'm going to change up my idea from red, and I'm going to go in with black as my lid color. Ooh, this pretty black from the Sugaface palette. It looks good. So next I'm going to go back into the Sugaface palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here and do the exact same thing. This one's just a little bit darker, and just place this right on top just to bring in some more red. This palette is like literally one of my favorite palettes. It's really good. It's affordable and it's black owned. Hey, real theatrical. Next, I'm going to take this Amuse cosmetic. This is an eyeliner, and it's a gel eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to cut out my lid with the black, and then I'm going to go on top with the black eyeshadow. So I'm going to cut out a pretty big area, all of my lid. So I'm just going to start up here. Okay, that looks interesting. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the Sugaface Cosmetic palette. I'm going to take that black shade, and it has some shimmer or glitter in it. I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to set down basically this black liner. I kind of want to do a glitter liner, like red glitter or pink glitter or something. So I'm going to take my glitter primer from NYX right here. I'm gonna take this little pencil type of brush, and I'm gonna apply this right where the cut crease kind of lies at. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to use glittermyworld.com glitter. So I'm going to take the shade Fireheart Rise in Queen's Court right here, and I'm going to mix these together. And we're just going to apply the glitter right where we put the glitter liner. It doesn't look the best, but oh well. Alright, so we have the glitter liner, and it's not perfect, but it's Halloween, so you look crazy, it's fine. I'm next gonna go on with these super huge 25mm lashes, because this is the time to wear super huge lashes, and this is from Blushbundlesncosmetics. So I'm gonna pop these on with my lash glue. Alright, so I'm first gonna put on some wing liner before I put on my lashes. So while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna put on some wing liner. I just got this LA Colors face primer from Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna try this out since I have it. Super white. Wow. Let's hope this doesn't stay white. So I'm not doing a white clown face, so I don't need my face to be white. Okay, so for foundation, I want something that's pretty much full coverage. So I'm going with my Huda Beauty foundation right here. This is in the shade Cinnamon. I'm gonna mix a little bit of it with the Believe Beauty foundation. Yep, about to be super full coverage. For concealer, I'm going with my Juvias Place concealers. I'm going to go with number 12 and number 16. I'll put down 12 first. I am going to use a good bit because it's supposed to be theatrical and Halloween-y. So do the most. Okay, we might put on a little bit too much concealer. For contour, I'm going to use my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to contour to the guys. So I'm going to use this middle shade right here to contour my face. Alright, I'm going to set my face with my Airspun powder and really set it down. You can probably bake because you're going to want all this makeup to stay down. I'm baking my whole face basically. So I'm going to go in bronze. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Cappuccino. Then I'm going to go in and contour with my Tarte palette. I'm using the shade Tember. For blush, I'm going to use the Sugaface Cosmetic palette. I'm going to take that red shade. The clowns are known for their red cheeks. So I want it kind of blended, but I want you to also tell that I'm trying to have red cheeks. Next, I'm going to do my red nose. So I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty red lipstick. And I'm going to create a little red circle on my nose. Next, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild liner right here. And I'm going to create the little triangle things that they be having. First, let me outline. I'm not even about to play myself. I'm going to outline it first with a black pencil. First, let me smoke out my bottom waterline. Alright, so I'm going to take the liner and just outline. Black liner again, and we're going to fill this in. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I literally stopped talking and I just started doing, so I'm sorry I had to speed up and not tell you guys exactly what I did. But as you can tell, you can see all the products that I used, and I just finished up the look. I like this look a lot. Like, I really wish that I had somewhere to go. This was super fun to create. I like it a lot. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I did follow Aaliyah J's tutorial a lot, and it definitely helps. So if you like this look and you want to recreate it, definitely Comment down below, tag me in your recreations, and definitely go follow Dolly. I'll have her video and her stuff that she's doing down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, let me know if I should do more Halloween type of makeup looks. If you think I should, definitely comment down below what type of looks you want to see from me. It could be mermaid, whatever, princess, whatever you want, and I'll definitely do another video for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.